mission to discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Thinking about camping for the first time? Join Team Labata as we share our very first camping adventure at Holiday Haven Culburra Beach on the New South Wales coast. Our journey started with a 2.5-hour drive from Sydney. Along the way, we stopped for lunch at Boongaree Rotary Nature Play Park in Boongaree, a great family-friendly spot with playgrounds, picnic areas, and plenty of space for kids to play. After lunch, we arrived at the Holiday Haven Culburra Beach. This beachfront holiday park offers powered camping sites, cabins, clean amenities, camp kitchens, and easy beach access, making it a great option for beginners. We booked a powered site for extra comfort and convenience. We paid $95 per site, but prices may vary depending on the season and site type. Setting up camp was much easier with the help of Team Cortez, Ate Cherry and Mommy Esther. One tip for the first-time campers: arrive before sunset so you have plenty of time to set up. As evening came, Joey cooked some delicious burgers while everyone helped prepare dinner. One of the best things about camping is spending quality time together away from everyday distractions. Heavy rain arrived that night, so after dinner, we called it an early night and got some rest. Next morning, John explored the area and visited Crookhaven Heads Lighthouse. The coastal views, fresh sea air, and peaceful surroundings made it the perfect way to start the day. Before heading home, we reflected on our experience and realized that camping doesn't have to be complicated. Holiday Haven Culburra Beach was the perfect introduction to family camping with great facilities, a beautiful location, and a relaxed atmosphere. If you're thinking about trying camping for the first time, this is definitely a spot worth considering. Thanks for joining Team Labata on our first camping adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite camping spot in New South Wales. We'll see you in our next family adventure.